So I thought I'd do a super quick video of the MSR pocket rocket stove. I'm just going to fire it up first. It's got a little piezo starter here which just gets it started. So the good news is you don't have to mess around with a lighter. So I'm just going to put it on full power. You probably see it's absolutely flying away underneath there. And then I'm going to put a lid on top. I put exactly 1 litre in here. And according to the website, it should take just over 3 minutes to boil. So we'll see just how long it actually takes as it gets cracking there. Weight-wise, it's super lightweight. The unit here that folds up comes in at under 3 ounces, so it weighs almost nothing. The unit also comes with this kind of pot here, which I think might be made of titanium. And then there's a plastic lid on top as well, just to help keep some of the heat in and let it boil a little bit faster. You've also got a plastic container that comes on the side, and you can't quite make out, but it's got some measuring units on there for cups and millilitres as well. But this one at the top here holds just over 1 litre. It also comes with a very small little tool here, oops, he said, which you can use just to hook on when this is super hot. So you can hook that onto the side there to help you carry it and lift it off when it's super hot. We're now coming up to 1 minute in. And that's about it. I've got some pictures on the blog. There's a description attached to this video, and if you copy across the blog, I just show you the right way to put all this together into one unit so that it takes up as little room as possible. It's not as obvious as you think, and I had to play around quite a lot. But that's about it. I've used this on the Appalachian Trail. I think the appeal to me is the fact that it doesn't take up a lot of space. You can see as a can of Coke to compare for size just how small it is. And really, when you just want a hot cup of tea or to heat up a meal at the end of the day, it's just a super quick way to get yourself some boiling water. So we're 2 minutes in. Oh, it's exciting, isn't it? I literally have nothing else to talk about. These little bits under here, these arms just fold together around this unit here, and the adjuster, the regulator here, also folds up out the way just to take up less space. One of the things that's interesting about this is it's actually got a regulator on it, and what that means is even when the gas canister is quite low, it still regulates the pressure well. So even when the gas canister is pretty much empty, it's still delivering full power, which is really useful. We've just gone up to 2.5 minutes, so in the next minute or so it should be boiled. And yeah, that's it. So you can adjust, obviously, the little turner here. You can see I can adjust the power a little bit, but I've got it on full power. And the piezos work pretty well so far. I've actually got it quite wet in the rain, and it still works really well for lighting this. I have a tendency to forget lighters all the time. And that's about it. So I'm just going to use this tool here. You can actually lift this off. You can see we're just starting to get to the boil now. So it's 3 minutes 10. I reckon we're about 20 seconds away from hitting boil. So that's been about 1 minute. And I would say if I lift this lid off, you can see it's just starting to boil. We're pretty much up to boil. So there you go. It takes, I would say, just over 3 minutes to take 1 litre to boil, which I think is awesome. I'll just bring it a little bit closer here so you can see that it's boiling. And that's it. So that just gives you a quick review, just a quick look at the MSR Pocket Rocket, which is a superb little piece of kit for backpackers and fast packers like me that don't want to take up a lot of space. So I'm just going to turn that off because it's reached a boil. And that's that.